Welcome, in front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how you can enable or disable Xbox Game Bar. So you have to simply go for the settings. When you are here, go for the gaming, and then find the Xbox Game Bar, and here we can enable or disable this option by simply tapping on the switcher. So as you can see, it's very simple. And if you want to open this Xbox Game Bar, you have to click this Windows shortcut. There's the Windows key and the G. So click Windows key and then tap G. As you can see, that's how we can make it. And if you find this very useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.